What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox with MA Couture Crafting. I am super excited about this. I am about to go live. What? Yes. Sundays. At first, we're going to start out going every other Sunday, and then hopefully we will ramp it up and do every Sunday at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So you're probably wondering what my lives will look like. Well, the first half of my lives will have probably 5 topics, maybe notions, maybe patterns, I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go along. And I want you guys to help me with that. Please tag me, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Let me know what it is that you want me to review. I don't care if it's your stuff, if it's somebody else's stuff, if it's a big wig, if it's a person with 2 followers, let me know. Let's see what's out there in this crafty couture community. And then the second half of my lives is where I really need your help, because it's all about you. It's basically a show and tell. I think everybody's favorite part of their guild meeting is the show and tell portion. I like when it's my turn and I get to talk about my quotes. It's so much fun. And I love hearing other people talk about their quotes. But I have questions. Like, I want to talk about why you did what you did. So on my show, I can ask all the questions. I can ask you everything I want to know about your quilts. I can gush over you. We can all gush over you. We can give you your flowers, as they say. I am super excited. All you need is a computer with a camera or your phone with a camera. You have to be able to open up a link. So at some point I will post a link and invite whomever. I don't care who you are. You don't have to be anybody special. You don't have to have any particular skill level. I just want to see your finished projects. I'm so excited. Maybe I'll have a finished. No, I won't. My finished project will not be here, so I won't have anything to share on my own show and tell. Ugh, womp womp. Whatever. I'm excited about it. I'm hoping that you guys are excited about it. Please do not have me looking crazy by myself on Sunday at 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Write this down, set an alarm. Please take pity on me and come hang out. And again, I cannot wait to see your finished projects. I hope this all works. We'll figure it out. The first one will probably be a little bumpy, but hopefully as we go along, it'll get better. But who knows? It's me. So only God knows what will happen, what we'll see, whatever. So come hang out with me Sunday, 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, my very first live. Yay! All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Leave me all the comments down below so that I can know if you're excited and if you're planning on attending. Bye-bye.